Hi Twinklers! Look at what just arrived. Twinkly, the box. Right here we have the 175 set. That means it has 175 LEDs. Look here, we have Twinkly written in gold. Let's take a look at the back. You can see here, it shows you that it's working on Wi-Fi. You have 17.5 meters of lights. That's 57.4 feet. There are another 3 meters or 10 feet for plugging it in. Like I said, there are 175 LEDs, red, green, and blue lights. And you have an instruction manual in 5 languages. Now, you can get the app at the Apple App Store or on Google Play, and this is the logo that you're going to find right here. Another thing, Twinkly is good for indoor lights or outdoor lights. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's see here. I have this nice instrument for opening. You can use scissors too, of course. Okay, just want to be a little careful. There we go. Turn it around and open it up. Here we go. Okay. First, let's open this side here. Okay. Here's the instructions. 5 languages, like we said. And this is the box with the plug. Now this plug is for European plugs. It's the C plug. If you live in North America, you're going to get the A plug, which is the normal plug. And if you live in Great Britain, you're going to get the G plug, which is also the normal plug for you guys. So this is the plug. Now let's take a look in here. These are the lights. Yeah. All right. Let's unattach this. This is a wire that's keeping everything together. Now, I want to look at these lights. Look at the design of these lights. They're flat on the top. They're opaque. When they get going, they're going to be really bright. Now, another thing that is pretty amazing about this is each one of these lights has its own microchip. That's just one of the special things about Twinkly. And each one is with an RGB light, red, green, or blue. Okay, look at all of those, 175. Now, this is the controller box. You can see there, it's written Twinkly, Smart Decoration. Check it out. Then, on the other side, you have 2 lights and a manual control button. Okay, now here inside of this is like the smart center of Twinkly. This is the Wi-Fi that's going to connect to the app. Okay, now this is where we're just going to plug this part into the plug itself. Couldn't be easier. Just push it in and then just tighten it up like that. Okay, now let's plug it in. Here we go. Look at that. Pretty awesome. This is just the beginning. Now we're ready to have fun.